This is Nokia G60, and today we are going to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So the default means of the system unfortunately do not allow us to do exactly that, so we will use a slight help of the free third-party application that is called Caffeine. So make sure that your device is connected to the network, then launch the Google Play Store app. At the search bar, type in Caffeine. Then download this particular app, Caffeine Keep the Screen On from the Caffeine developer. So click on the green install button, wait until it gets downloaded and installed, of course. Then launch it, and all that it's left to do is to set the timeout option of it to the infinite value. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.